Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is November 14th, 2019. We're getting closer to Thanksgiving, aren't we? I can't wait. We make all kinds of, really great food here and pies, and my wife is an amazing cook. It's crazy. Super indulgence. All right. Let's check out the markets. I couldn't wait to get home today so I could check this out. So here we are. Bitcoin, BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Let's check it out. I got the VPVR, the volume profile up. I was looking at this earlier this morning, and I thought, let's zoom out just a hair and take a look at this. Do you see this area right here? This is one of my targets that I think that we're going to head to. And when I zoom out on all of it, on the entire chart, I notice that there's a gap right here that would probably like to be filled. So if price action, which is here, comes down and fills in that little gap, right? It could possibly bounce off of that and then start running higher. This area will probably try to draw it back up and then maybe slip back into this area here, and then boom, we'll start going. Hopefully. But yeah, I was looking at this gap and thinking, man, that's a little too perfect right there. So anyway, let me get out of this one. Yeah, get that one hidden. All right, here we go. So Bitcoin there it is, on Coinbase on the 1 day has been slipping, and indicators look awful. And let's zoom into the chart itself and see how we're doing. I think last time we spoke, I said that I'm looking forward to it hitting this area down here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. We're getting acceleration to the downside, and it wouldn't surprise me if that maybe takes tomorrow or the next day before we get down here, in my opinion. We will get a bounce. I do anticipate some sort of back test of the 20-day. I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but the 20-day is now curling over and pointing down. So that's giving us some sort of, the trend is working down this way now. I thought maybe a back test of so we broke through the 20 and the 50 right here on this big red. So maybe the back test has already been fulfilled on this one here. So we came down, broke through the 20-day and the 50-day moving average, back test, and now it's maybe we don't need a back test again. So this looks actually really bearish. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. So once we reach this area, I do anticipate some sort of a bounce, maybe even to touch the bottom of the Kumo cloud, bounce up from there to the top of the Kumo cloud. After that, I think that we're going to get rejection, maybe fool around, and then break down to these levels here, the support level. This support level at that point, I think, is going to be weighed on real heavy, and then we're going to get breakdown after that, boom, into this area. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. How about Litecoin, LTC, BTC? Let's check that one out. Since our new candle, we got kind of had a rough day today, and since we got our new candle, it's been up. But the close below the 9 was not good. Yesterday, I was talking about LTC, BTC, not looking very good. And the get out point was probably here on the 9. So once it broke, we probably should be out. You're getting a second chance here to get out at the 9 or even a little higher. We'll see how that plays out. It's very possible if we get continuing volume that we could get another bounce, and the bounce could be, I don't know, up in this region also. But we'll have to see. We'll have to really keep an eye on this. Litecoin USD, I know Peter in the group did a really great job. He pointed out that, hey, look, it looks like Litecoin's dumping, and sure enough, it did break my 20-day moving average. Yesterday, I was talking about that being the red line in the sand as to when you'd want to get out, and sure enough, here it is. So yeah, that was perfect. Now, because he was sounding the alarm on Litecoin, it helped me get out of my ETH USD position. So I saw that ETH was wanting to come down. I saw that an opportunity to just exit the market, and I did. So I'm out of ETH right now. It's possible that ETH won't reach these levels again. I thought that ETH would be a good selling point would be to sell it there, but yeah, over here at target 1, which is, what was that? Target 1 was supposed to be right there, so around 202-ish, something like that. But maybe the target was achieved with that. It's possible. So that being said, I'm going to look for a better opportunity, and it might just roll over. I'm going to hold my cash as ETH goes down. I'm going to turn this red and jump into ETH BTC. Now, ETH BTC is still looking okay because it's just Ethereum is going down in cash value, at least the last couple of days, or trading sideways as you look at the last 2 weeks. But as far as ETH BTC, it's not dumping like Bitcoin is. So you're getting that lift right here where your Satoshi value is rising. Very, very cool. I have targets here for ETH. So if ETH can just sustain where it's at, you might see targets reached as high as like around here. Now this target's already been hit, so I'm just leaving it here as a possible, that was the 0.5 bounce on the Fibonacci's, but it could go as high as like a 702 or 786, and then final target, this would be an outrageous number, but we'll see. It's possible that as Bitcoin continues its downtrend, Ethereum might not sell off as much, allowing for better gains this way. Okay, let's take a look at total market cap at $226 billion. If it'll refresh, there it is. It's slipping. It's now fully inside the Kumo cloud for the last 3 days of sell-off here. We're below the 9. We did get our death cross at the 20, and we're below the 200-day moving average. So things are not looking very good here for total crypto market cap. Let's look at the total too, which is altcoins. Altcoins are starting to relax and roll over a little bit also. So they're not full. Well, actually, we did get a death cross right here of my 9 and 20. So yeah, death cross is here. And yeah, it doesn't look good here either. So that might not be good. Bitcoin dominance is at 68.20% and continuing its downtrend. We are really near that area of support. We'll probably pound on support for a bit and then break down. That's really how I'm seeing things so far. Others dominance is at 5.92, and here it is right here. So others, you're looking at your alts dominance start to rise up. Now it's not really happening too much in ETH or even Litecoin, but your alts, as far as like your little baby alts that have lower market caps, are starting to rise up, and they're having their day in the sun. Now, good news is we've got above the Kumo cloud, and we're now contesting the 200-day moving average. I would love to see it bounce above and not get rejection here, but it's, we'll have to really watch this, and I'm gonna really watch this and see what happens here. If they start to move, you could have a alt season really start to take off. That'd be really good. It also could possibly get rejection at the 200, pull back a little bit to take a breather, and then make another run for it. So and so don't get too discouraged if you get rejection here. The good news is you're still above that Kumo cloud, which is awesome. We did break resistance, so that is really good. I'm going to take that out of there. We got one more up ahead, so we'll see how that plays out. Okay, guys, that's it. God bless you. I hope your trading is going really well, and we'll see you tomorrow And I'm out.